Okay, hello everyone. This is Kidurz Fx. How are you all doing today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to reduce lot size, because in the previous video I dropped concerning my strategy, and I told you guys I can reduce the lowest lot size. Some of you guys were asking me how did I reduce the lot size, how did I do this, how did I do that. So I'm gonna be showing you guys in this video. Alright, just stay with me. Alright, before we proceed, if this is your first time on this YouTube channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and do not forget to like this video. Thank you so much for doing that. So now let's proceed. Now some people asking me how I was able to reduce this lot size for this boom 1000 to 0.05. I mean this, and some people were asking how I was able to do this as well, to reduce this to the 0.10 lot size. Or I'm gonna be showing you guys in the video now. So let's move back to our MT5. Okay, now this is our MT5. To reduce a lot size, you must notice that you have to place a trade. For instance, this is where to place a trade. You know the minimum lot size for the boom or crash index is 0.20. So in order to reduce this lot size, you have to place a trade and not using the minimum lot size, not using the current lot size. So if you have to place a trade and you are willing to withdraw you are willing to reduce the lot size, so you have to add what you are willing to reduce. For instance, you want to reduce it to 0.10 lot size, then you add 10 to it like this. This is 30. This is 0.30 lot size. Then let's say you want to sell boom. Okay, the market has been on a position now. Okay, our order has been placed. So now the next thing to do is to reduce the lot size. So if you want to reduce the lot size for this, now you have to do this. Once you press and hold on it, then you click on close position. So you're not gonna close it yet, then you're gonna move over to this top here, if you can see this. Alright, then you deduct. This is minus 0.1, which simply means you've deducted 0.01 lot size, okay, from this current lot. Then you click on close. So when you close it, it will automatically change to the lot size you are willing to use. Okay, so let's say you want to reduce your lot size to your 0.05. Let's say you place a trade, so you're gonna be deducting 5 out of these. Let's say you're gonna be placing a trade with 0.205 lot size. Then let's say you sell this as well, then you are willing to reduce this to 0.05 lot size. Then you do this back and press minus. Okay, then you close it. That is simple as ABC how it is. And if you are having low equity or you are looking for risk management, this is for you. Okay, those that are willing to grow their account with the lowest lot size, these are for you. Okay, I would advise you, or maybe you are fond of catching spikes and something like that, always reduce your lot size. Or maybe I still trade with the lowest lot size. Okay, so I may try to use big lot size sometimes, but no matter what it takes me, I still try to come down to the level of the people I teach. Okay, just to make sure that if I can do this easier for them, or just to make sure if I can do this easier by myself, or they can actually do better. Okay, this is just simple as ABC on how to reduce lot size. Okay, so let me give you guys commodity. Let me check on crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000 currently. So let's say you are willing to buy a position with 0.0 lot size. Let's say you can have 0. Let's say you can use, maybe you are using 1.0. sorry, I want to use 1.0 lot size. And let's say you buy this, for instance. Okay, your market has been placed in order, then you want to reduce the lot size to maybe 0.05. just have to click on close position, then you minus the 1 2 3 4 5 from it, then you close it, then automatically your market or your order will be placed by 0.05 lots at that. Okay guys, you can also use this strategy to lock in your profit or book profit. Okay, for instance, now this is volatility 10 index and you want to book profit. Okay, maybe probably you place a trade and there is a probability that maybe this market will start reversing. Okay, then you just want to book the profit, then you can use this same strategy to book the profit. Okay, so let's say you want to reduce the lot size to 0.10 lot size, then you minus it from this place, then you close it, so automatically you have booked the profit. Okay, you can see now we have 32.79 cents dollars now. Okay, which is we have about 333 USD dollars there before, but we are booking the profit. Okay, so the profit you book have been added to your balance. So that is that. For that, you can use it to lock in your profit. You can use it to grow your small account. That is just the two easy ways to use this strategy. And just like the way this is now, you can use it to swing your trade. Okay, you know you've already booked a profit, so with this you have rest of mind that you want to keep this trade for maybe probably 2 weeks, sometimes a month. So that is that for that. Okay, so you have to book in your profit first. So that is most of the that's what I did for this jump index. Mostly that's what I did. So immediately I put the trade and I noticed this market is likely to go further, then I'll book in the profit and just leave it. If it hits my stop loss, I'm still good. If it hits my TP, I'm still good because I already broke a profit. That is just it. Alright, thank you so much guys. And I must tell you that this trick works for all synthetic index and all commodities, be it currency pairs or binary or Deriv index. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for liking this video. I really appreciate you guys. If this is your first time on this YouTube channel, please do make sure you hit the subscribe button before you go. Thank you so much. I still remain your boy Kidurz. Goodbye.